how to enable ChatGPT voice to voice on phone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I'll show you that how can you enable the feature on ChatGPT like voice to voice on your iPhone or Android. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application ChatGPT. Alright, so after you open the ChatGPT, you'll got such interface. So from here, at the first, you'll be able to get a ChatGPT 4 on your device. So from here, you can easily go the option voice to voice mode. So for that, you'll have to just tap on the option voice mode just at the bottom right corner. So simply tap on that voice mode icon. Alright, so from here you can easily choose a voice for your ChatGPT. So from here you can choose with any option. So after you choose it, you'll have to just tap on the option get start. Okay, so after you choose the voice model, you'll be able to talk with ChatGPT with that voice model. So in this way, you can start the conversation with your voice. So for that, you'll have to just tap on that voice model option, and from there you can easily talk to ChatGPT with that voice model. So, but this feature will be limited on your GPT-4. So if you have the subscription or paid version, you can easily use it for unlimited time. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.